Okay, I'm going to talk about right there. Can you see it? Service filter. Okay, it's time to replace the air filter. I imagine there's a reset for that, and I'll do that in a minute. First step is you turn cooling to off. Then you'll have to wait for the air to stop flowing, but while we're doing that, I keep the air filters right here. They come folded up, okay? And in order for you to see, right there, I'm going to take out those two screws. They just come out like this. Okay. You'll have to use a second hand to hold that up because this whole thing flops down. All right. I'm going to pause this and take the other screw out just a minute. FYI, as you're unscrewing it, the thing always falls out and goes on the ground. Okay. So be ready for that and don't be panicked. So I've undone the second screw. Now this thing's going to flop down. And there's the filter. I'll take care of that in a minute. Okay, there's the filter. See how filthy it is? I replaced it literally just 1 month ago. Okay. So now I'm going to open the other one, but I'm going to go put this over by the garbage, and I'll put it in the garbage afterward. I'm going to use this vacuum cleaner. You hit that button, and then that thing will pop up. So I'm going to pop you hold here, you push that, and you pull up. See how that comes up? Okay. Now I need to have the brush for this, so let me get the brush in the closet. Right there. The brush just snaps on, and then I vacuum out all this stuff. See all the debris in there? So I'm going to vacuum it out. Now note, I vacuum on this side, and then I come over here and I vacuum on this. Okay, so now I'm ready. Now, when you open this, it's going to pop open on you, so be careful, okay? It just snaps out. And then you'll just set it there, fold the lid up, put the screws on, turn the switch back on, and you're done.